See how big he is now? Look at that. Last time I was on here, he was like yay big. And now he's chewing on himself. Hi guys! I'm here still. Oh, it's been like a year and a half since I've been on. Buster's probably gonna be pouncing around in the background. Oh, there he is. Oh, hello. Oh, hello. Hello, Mama. No, get down. Get down. I'm paying attention to them, not you. I recently had a comment on one of my videos. It was the giant makeup swap with Australia. Minju. Hi, Minju. I hope this video will make you happy. It makes me happy. It's like you read my mind. So she said, I miss your videos. I said, I miss making videos. What kind of video do you want to see? She said, an update or whatever you're interested in making. As a watcher, I love seeing your videos that creators enjoy making. So, hi. Really, you two? Really? Can we just shh? So I can film? Because I want to film. Okay, so I thought, let's do a FabFitFun box. I ordered one the other day and I've just been putting it off and putting it off and putting it off. So we're here. So this is the spring editor's box. I actually only got it like 2 weeks ago and the summer box is already shipped right now. So this is like old news, but it's just kind of to get me to do something so we can, you know, hang out again. Because I miss you guys. I don't know if you miss me or if you're even going to see this video because YouTube has changed so much since I've been gone, and from all the content that I've seen other people creating, talking about kind of what's happening, it is a whole new world out there. Videos are showing up, videos are not showing up, videos are at the bottom of the list. Now it's not necessarily chronological, so if you're seeing this, I miss you. I love you. Really and truly, I have missed YouTube. I don't know why. I don't know if I just took a mental break because I just wanted to enjoy living life. Maybe that's it. Let's open the first item in my box and then I will go into more detail. Ha ha ha! So this was a really great box and there was one item that I saw that I was like, I have to get this box for this very reason. So, you know, FabFitFun, like everyone and their mama unboxes one, they give you this like newspapery thing and all kinds of information. The main reason that I ordered this box was for the Kate Somerville Exfoli Kate. It was a full-size Exfoli Kate, and I got the box for 29 bucks, and this Exfoli Kate goes for $75 for 1.7 ounces, and it is one of my favorite face washes. It helps to like really get the like gunk out of your pores, so that would be why I got it. There she blows. Wait, that's the back. Out of practice. There we go. Okay, so let's get in a time machine and go back last year. So like February, I was kind of slowing down on videos because wedding planning was picking up, and then March rolled around and my dad passed away. So that really hit me hard. My dad had some serious lifelong struggles with alcoholism. We didn't really have much of a relationship for many, many reasons, that being one of them, and he passed suddenly. So, yeah, that really hit me hard. I had to kind of, there's a lot of things that came back, emotions that had kind of been boxed away and put aside, and so I kind of had to deal with that head on when that happened, and I just, literally everything in my life stopped, and I took time for me. So 3 weeks after my dad passed, my grandma passed on my mom's side. So it was a rough couple of weeks, and my mom and my sister and my mom's husband had come out they were planning to come out the week that my grandma passed to go dress shopping for my wedding, and they did, which was sort of a nice escape that we could all be together for that. But so then that came and went, and yeah, next item. Next item was this coffee mug in here. So it's the I'd Rather Be in Bed family meals inspired by Aisha Curry. I don't really know what's up with this, but I got this like teal coffee mug, and it says I'd rather be in bed. Little eyelashes. This is totally my kind of cup, so I think I might actually take this to work, but I thought it was pretty cute. Yeah, where did we leave off? So my mom came out to go dress shopping, found a dress, they went home, and then our wedding was in the end of October, so by the time May came around, it was like, okay, we need to get really serious about this. We need to start talking about invitations and all of that, and then just the whirlwind of all the things that came with the wedding. And then I started working again full time, like in an office setting job, and then that just like ate up everything. And then the wedding came. Yay, we got married. We got married October 28th, 2017. It was a beautiful day. It was up in Michigan. It was cold because it's like pretty much winter there. Yeah, so got married, got that all done. We went to Cancun for a week for our honeymoon, which was amazing. And the weather was great, and the resort was not very busy. So we just really took time to enjoy that. And then from there, it was like a couple weeks later, we had Thanksgiving, and then like a week or so after Thanksgiving, Eric's grandpa passed away up in Michigan, and then we were traveling up to Michigan for that. And then very shortly after that, we had Christmas, so we had to go up to Michigan again for Christmas. Next item in the box. Ta-da! They gave me this Free People understated sleeping mask, which is really funny because I sleep every single night with a blanket on top of my face because I don't want any light to get to me because I'm a vampire. So yeah, they sent this. It's actually really comfortable. I thought it would be like terrible, but it's got like, it's kind of got like this weighted gel pack in it. I think you could maybe put it in the fridge and let it be cool because you could take it out. So it's got a nice weight to it. It'll like mold to your face, and the fabric on this side is actually really, really soft. So, and the headband thing is adjustable. So Eric keeps asking me, he's like, are you actually going to use that thing? Yes. Yes, I will. Yeah, so then the new year came, and I feel like since then it's just been a whirlwind of like lots of guests coming through, and Eric starting school and other school things maybe we'll talk about later, but yeah, it has just been, we've had a ton of guests this year, and yeah, so I feel like I'm in a place now where I'm ready to come back to YouTube. I have things going on in my life. No, I am not pregnant. So there's the answer to that. Yeah, so next item in the box. We have the Tarte Eyeshadow Palette. Da, da, da. And here it is. It's a really nice sort of neutral looking palette with some shimmers. There's a couple mattes in there. This is the Leave Your Mark eyeshadow palette. Okay, thanks Tarte. Appreciate it. Oh yeah, something else I forgot to mention. So I traveled home in March. So my grandma had passed away in April of last year, April 13th, I believe. No, April 11th. She passed away April 11th last year. And then this year, her husband, my grandpa, he passed away February 28th. So I traveled home to California, and I was there for almost a week in March. And then after that, I had my birthday. And rehashed some emotions from the year before. Oh, so yeah, it's been really, really special. Yeah. And you know, I get up and I go to work, and then I come home, and when I come home, I just feel like poo from being at work all day. And yeah, today I just said, you know what? I'm gonna film no matter what. This is what I wore to work today. I'm not wearing anything fancy or special. My hair is like, the curls are gone from earlier today, but I said, F it. I'm gonna sit down and put my face in front of the camera and do this because it's been so long and I really do miss it. I watch YouTube every single day. I hardly watch TV. YouTube is my thing. I really love YouTube. Buster is wiping his face on the carpet. No, he's not far enough out. Oh, there we go. He's so talkative. So, yeah. I just want to get back to doing this because this does bring me great joy. So, it sounds counterintuitive that I took a break of it. I took a break from it at a time when I probably needed added joy to my life. But that mixed with other stressors just makes it really difficult. It's like a whole emotional warfare thing, just like internally. Like, can't even explain it. So, next item. The Spongelet French Lavender Body Wash Infused Buffer. So we got this. I'm not the biggest fan of lavender scented things. But this looks like a sponge that is just basically soaked in soap. Like, if you could feel this, it's like really heavy and dense. So just put this in the shower and use a little spongy scrubby thingy. Another thing too, you know, after you've been gone from YouTube for a little while and you decide to go back, you're like, oh, I think everything needs to be perfect. Like, in my mind, I'm like, people are expecting you to come back all put together, and that's just not reality. You know, I've had comments on my video where like, why was your nail chipped? And it's like, because I'm a real person. I don't have a whole crew of people behind me who make sure that my hair is perfect and my nails are done and my makeup is so professional. That's just not me. I like to play with makeup, but I'm not a professional, and I just do this for fun because I enjoy hanging out with you guys. So, you know, taking a break from that aspect of people being a little off their rocker and out of touch with reality and what real people look like and do and the time that they have. And like, if I have a chipped nail, it's not a big deal because I'm a real person. So yeah, I'm not a production, I'm just a real person. So next up, they gave me this Hot and Cold Gel Pack by My Tagalongs. It says Ice Ice Baby. It's getting hot in here. So it tells you how to use it if you want to make it hot or cold. I thought that was interesting. I guess I'll put it in the freezer. Then there is the Briogeo Don't Despair Repair. This is a deep conditioning mask, and I actually really like this, and this is a full, like, 5 ounces, so I think that's a really generous bottle. I'm pretty sure this is, like, the full-size thing. 6 free hair care, no sulfates, no parabens, no silicones, no phthalates, no artificial colors, no DEA. Okay. And the very last thing is the Rachel Pally. It's a clutch, I believe. Hang on. Hold please. So it comes with like a little dust bag with a handle, which is really funny. And here it is. So it's reversible. So it's got a white section, and then it's got this beautiful print of like yellow and purple and blue. And then you just take this little thing off and you have a clutch. You can, if you needed more space, you could have this big open clutch. If you needed less space, you can fold it in half and carry it under your arm. I think it's really cute. And then what you can do is reverse it. So if you want more of the color sticking out and less of just the solid white, then there you go. So it's totally reversible either way that works for you. I thought that was a really cute thing. Except for now the zipper won't work. Got it. That is what came in my FabFitFun. I thought it was a really good box, and again, the reason that I ordered it was for this beauty right there, but it's a quarterly subscription box, so it gets sent out 4 times a year. It's $49.99. You can get it at a discount. There's all kinds of promo codes out there. If I can find one, I'll link it down below. I don't think I have one, or I don't think I get anything from it. I'm just a normal person who's subscribed to FabFitFun, not affiliated in any way. So yeah, there we go. So, fun fact, my friend and I at work have decided for the next 30 days we have too much makeup that's a little bit too neglected, so we're going to challenge each other to wear makeup like every day for the next 30 days. Not because we want to like wear a mask or hide ourselves or anything freaky like that, but it's just because we want to play with all the makeup that sometimes gets neglected. So today I used my Sweet Peach palette. I didn't do a very peachy look, but yeah, I did use this today, and I do really like this palette very, very much. So that's that. If you want to leave me some comments down below with some questions for anything that you've been wondering, like, are you alive, Melissa? If you want me to answer anything, you want me to do a specific video, anything that's on your mind, go ahead and let me know down below. If you want to just say hi, I missed you, I will say hi back too. Again, I have been gone way too long, so might take me a minute to get, you know, back to my zesty self. I usually have coffee. I think that's my problem. I usually have coffee, so maybe I'll go fill up this coffee cup. It's probably too late. Ugh. It's 8:30. I went to work today. I was outside pressure washing before I came inside to film this video. Yeah, that's my life. That's reality. Got married. Now I come home from work and go outside and pressure wash things. Living the good life. Yeah. So I think I'm gonna leave it there for today, but again, I really do miss you guys. I look forward to seeing your comments, and yeah, I have such a huge pile of empties to do. Maybe I'll just film that right after this video. Alright, I'm being weird. I'm gonna go. Bye. I love you guys so much. I hope you have a beautiful day. Bye!